Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Weaker US data has halted the bond sell-off. But first, the actual number of US initial jobless claims rose marginally last week, and the number of people on these benefits was actually unchanged from the prior week at 1.7 million, although that was a small increase from a year ago level. However, the first quarter 2024 GDP was revised lower to plus 1.3% in their second estimate from 1.6% in the first, and this was more of an adjustment than was expected. The main change was due to less consumer spending than originally estimated. US pending home sales fell sharply in April, down a whopping 7.7% from March, in a dive that surprised analysts. It was the largest retreat since February 2021. Only a small 0.6% correction from a good March was anticipated. Getting the blame was the impact of escalating interest rates throughout April, and which dampened home buying, and that left more inventory in the market. And Taiwan also reported first quarter GDP growth overnight, and that came in much better at 6.6% higher than year ago levels. You will notice that is better than China's equivalent 5.3% in the same period. Already high container freight rates rose another 4% last week to push them up more than 150% higher than year ago levels. The same drivers are at play: security risks, canal disruptions, and now plus the new rush to beat US tariffs on some Chinese goods. It is outbound from China rates that are being most affected. However, bulk cargo rates are immune to these rises, unchanged again this week and still at their long-run average levels. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.56% and down 7 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today unchanged at $2,343 an ounce. And oil prices are down $2 to just on $77.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $82 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today marginally firmer from yesterday at just under 61.3 US cents. Against the Aussie, we're a quarter cent lower though at 92.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also marginally softer at 56.5 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just under 70.6 and little changed. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Tuesday.